Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kostulas, and today I want to show you guys how you can get, your first social media advertising client and without having to spend any money. So, I don't want to waste any of your time, so let's dive right into the keynote presentation. So, for those of you who are new to the channel, I started my own social media advertising agency about a year ago. I'm currently doing over six figures helping out different niches in the field. So I have different local businesses that I go out to and I create, commercials for them. And I'm going to show you how you can close your first client in 30 days without, spending any money to get started. So your goal is going to be from today to a month from now today to get a client to pay you $2,000 to $3,000 per month on a reoccurring basis. Now, how are we going to do that? Let's dive right into it. The most important thing is having a game plan. You need to understand what you are selling, and then the second you understand that and you can provide a laundry list of benefits to why your services are worth the amount of money that you say that they are. Once you can do that effectively, you can get a business owner to pay you anywhere between $500 to $10,000 or even $15,000 or more. It all depends on the CEO or which business that you know is with you. There's so many different types of businesses. There's big businesses, there's small businesses, and they're all around you everywhere. If you look on TV and you see advertisements on the news for local businesses, like you should take a picture of that commercial and you should contact those businesses and say, "Hey, give me that commercial and I'll run a highly targeted Facebook ad or Instagram ad to people that live within a 5 to 10 mile radius of the business." So, that's a great way to prospect and be lazy at the same time. You can watch TV and just take pictures of the local businesses that are advertising on TV because you can easily convince them with the script that I give you guys absolutely free on my Balance University Facebook group. If you guys want my script, you guys got to join Balance University on my Facebook page. The link's in the description down below. But if you have a script and you understand exactly what to say to these business owners, then it's just a matter of you convincing them that Facebook and Instagram are a better place to advertise than, you know, the news or in the newspaper or in the penny saver. You know what I'm saying? So like think about it like that. Think about it like if you guys, you know, go into the minds of the business owners, they are going to be stingy with their money. You have to understand like they're experts in their field and they probably have people pitching to them on a normal basis, like probably on a weekly basis. They probably have somebody pitching an idea to them. So for you to stand out, you have to one understand that the money is in the follow up, and that if you don't follow up with them and if you don't show that you mean business, don't expect them to pay you a dime. You know, you guys have to really basically unpeel the layers of an onion. You have to go to the the center. You have to, by convincing them, having, a laundry list of benefits of explaining the power of having a high quality commercial running on Instagram to highly targeted people can drastically blow up a business. Like I'll show you guys in this example um of what you need to do to blow up their business. I'm going to show you guys an example of the one of the pizzerias that I do. I spent around $271. This campaign ran for 2 months, and we had over 15,000 people taking action on the video, meaning that they either liked it, shared it, commented on it, or viewed it. So, you know, this business model, social media advertising, is completely based on predictability. Now, if you can get 15,000 people engaging in a post with the business, what are the chances over the next couple of weeks or days that one of those people come into the store because they just subconsciously remember seeing and interacting with the, commercial that this specific business put up there, So the whole idea was that I created a contest for St. James Pizza, and it was a contest slash brand story. It was both. I tell you guys to do a contest or a brand story, but I decided to mesh them together. And this was an amazing ad. Like, when you have a cost per result of just 1 penny per person engaging, think about that. Think about that's one you're paying for 1 penny for somebody to engage with your business online. It's like it's amplified positive word of mouth. So, you can easily convince a business owner to pay you, $1,000 to $3,000 per month on a recurring basis if you can prove that you can get these types of results for them. Because if you can give them the same results that I got for my business owner, it's just proof in the pudding. You can literally, uh, if you create a viral, relevant post for the local business, it's going to do wonders for their business long term. And that's the main selling point. That's the main piece that you need to really drill down into these business owners' heads. And the next thing I would say is offer to do it for free. You know, pretend that you're trying to build a portfolio and that you just need a testimonial and you're not going to charge them. But, after you do it for free, well, in the first meeting, be like, listen, I'll do a month for you for free, but understand that my main goal is to work with you, on a monthly basis for years to come. So make sure that they're aware of that before you sign them up for the free trial. Because if they are not interested in doing that, if the price is right, then they're not worth it. They're not worth your time. So I think another important thing to ask a business owner is, you know, would this be worth it to you if I were to get you X results? And then that's just once you hit them with that question, they're like, wow, yeah, probably. If you can get me 15,000 people for $200, yeah, no, that would be worth it. So you really got to get into their head and increase their trust. If you guys want to learn the best way to increase a business owner's trust, head on over to my Instagram account and look up the 10-10 rule. I have it on my highlights. Go check that out. That'll really help you learn how to sell amazingly. And the next one is obviously to learn the services inside and out. So like I said, go do that. Go on my Instagram. All right. Basically that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Um, I'm making new videos every single day, teaching you guys how to make money with your phone, with your laptop. And basically I put together a short, really simplistic course where I literally give you guys my exact ads, my exact funnels, and I teach you step by step how to start your own social media advertising agency. Yes, this is a paid course, but this video is absolutely free. And if you guys do not have to spend money at all to learn and to get started and to start your own social media advertising agency. If you want structure and you want a map and you basically want me to hold your hand through the process, obviously the course is an option. But if you guys want to start your own social media advertising agency today without any money, totally doable. Totally doable. Take the advice that I gave you in this short video, and I hope that you can leave me a comment if you get any results from this video. I'm really trying to grow my personal brand. I'm trying to grow my own social media advertising agency more and more each and every day. So whatever I learn from the courses that I buy, that's basically what I reteach in my YouTube videos. And obviously I just I give you guys basically the exact ads and the exact funnels that have worked for me and the exact scripts that have literally worked for me. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I would hope you would consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Thank you, and have a good one, guys.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me.